Honest rest gets sabotaged and a cat fight breaks out. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 11th to the 15th of October 2021 on Monday. When Shogi refuses, Braketa Nomsa steps in. The battle between the intense heats up and Nambita feels the strain. Zanele takes the fall for Senzo on Tuesday. Honest rest gets sabotaged and a cat fight breaks out. Nomsa set her plan in motion, playing both Nkosi and Shogi, while an unlikely winner is announced on Wednesday. Nomsa and Shogi seek help from Isaac. Nambita starts her intensive week with Funani. Jedo's true intent is revealed on Thursday. Nomsa is overwhelmed when she agrees to make a wedding outfit to settle the debt with the Braketa. Pearl warns Lazarus that Jedo may be up to no good. Nambita suffers the strain of trying to keep her relationship with the village a secret on Friday. Ona comes to help Nomsa but gets a shock. Nambita shares a secret while Jedo continues to scam Lazarus. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.